Hi, folks. Here we are, week 2 of EDU 707. And I gained so much information out of your introduction discussion boards because I got to know you a little bit as well as you did each other. And the other fascinating thing was our second discussion board when we started talking about the curriculum models and you reviewed the paperwork, the materials that went along with that, and what you thought of some of those, or how you related or didn't relate to some of those, gave us a little idea or an initial idea of what's going on in your schools or what you might want to do yourself if you are not connecting what's going on with your school. So that was fascinating. And thank you for that because it really sets a tone for us for the rest of the course. So, what's happening in week 2? I think you'll find it quite fascinating in itself because you get to walk about your school. Yes, you have to take time to do that. And most generally, we do not take time. We don't have the time to walk about our schools. So you're going to be reading in your text and relating what you're reading and what you're doing as far as the walkabout in your discussion board. So great connection this week. And what is the flexibility structural assignment that you have? As you walk about your school, you have a rating scale, and you'll learn more about that in the module. And with that rating scale, you'll take notes. You'll determine where on the rating scale your school, your building, your district, whichever route you're going, will be on that rating scale. And then you have to give a rationale for each of the areas that you rate. So it's very exciting and it's very insightful. I've found that out many times over that students will say, oh, I thought that, this particular area or maybe the collaboration within our peers was at this point, or maybe the something at the administrative level was at this point, or something to do with resources. So you'll get a real good scope of what is going on in your school and whether you're right or whether your eyes are opened a little bit more. So I look forward for you and to venture into this new territory. And also, I'm looking forward to what's happening in your district and schools and how similar you are, how much you agree with what your thoughts were before and then after. So I think, oh, there's an exemplar. I just want to let you know that. So these assignments can be tricky sometimes. Always use the rubric that's in the grading system, please, because I go exactly by that rubric and its criteria, and that helps you getting a good grade. So I hope you're all doing well. I'm finding out that you're a diverse group, but a wonderful group of students. And I look forward to the discussion board, and make sure you take time. Just think about that walkabout a little bit like exercise, right? Take time for yourself. Okay, have a wonderful week, and thank you very much.